We'll guide you through how to make a door in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because beginners in Blender often want to learn basic modeling techniques like using reference images, extruding shapes, and applying bevels. They may find the interface confusing at first. First, open Blender on your desktop to begin the modeling process. Once it is open, delete anything in the scene so you can start fresh. Press numpad 1 to switch to the front view. Then press Shift and A to open the Add menu. Add an image reference of a door into the scene so you can use it as a guide. After inserting the image, scale it bigger by pressing S and moving your mouse outward. Position the image in the middle so it is easy to work with. After that, add a plane by pressing Shift and A again and selecting the plane option. Then, on the bottom left corner, extend the plane options and choose Align to View so it matches your perspective. Next, press Z and choose Wireframe View so you can see through the plane and align it properly. Press Tab to go into Edit mode and click the plane to begin editing it. Position the plane so its vertices match the shape of the door in the reference image. After that, make a loop cut by pressing Ctrl and R to add more geometry. Then place the loop cuts along the important details of the door. Press 3 to switch to face selection mode and select all the faces that represent the door details. Extrude them slightly by pressing E to give the model some depth. After that, click on the faces again and set the bevels by pressing Ctrl and B to smooth the edges. Once you are done, stay in Edit mode and press Shift and D to duplicate the object. Position the duplicate not too far from the original. Then rotate it by pressing R, then Z, and typing 180 to flip it. After that, select the edges from both objects, left-click, and choose Bridge Edge Loops to connect them and complete the model. This final step joins both sides together, forming a complete door shape. Adjust any remaining vertices if needed to improve the overall shape.